are hungry for news from the world of Bollywood? Yes, friends, you have come to the right place. In the next half hour, I, your host Anuradha, will bring to you all the sizzling gupshup only on Silver Words. So let us waste no more time and dig into a bucket of popcorn, because that's what's coming up next. Now, Yash Raj films can be pretty demanding when it comes to weighty issues. I'm sure Aishwarya or even Kareena Kapoor will second me on that. But who is next joining a rigorous gym routine and following diet plans? Let's find out. Now, we all know that Tani ji, our very own Anushka Sharma, already has a lean frame. No one can actually call her chubby by any standards. Well, no one but Aditya Chopra. According to the latest buzz in Tinseltown, Aditya Chopra has asked Anushka to get leaner and toned than ever before for his next film, Ladies vs. Ricky Bell.
After he said that, I actually went back home and I saw another person. I called my mom and I said, I can't believe this is happening right now.
Her fans might just die to see this innocent smile on her face, but Adi doesn't even find her beautiful.
I don't think you're very good looking. So you're not the most good looking girl.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure that you're going to work really, really hard.
And this is not the first time. Yash Raj is known for its strict weight norms. Who can forget Aishwarya's golden slim look in Dhoom 2 or even Bebo's size 0 in Tashan.
Crazy Kiare, crazy Kiare, crazy Kiare, oh crazy Kiare.
Now the question remains, will Anushka's slim look shine like Aishwarya's at the box office or will earn a 0 as Kareena's did? Now, director Tarun Mansukani's much-awaited sequel Dostana 2 is going through what most Bollywood relationships undergo. But this may be the biggest spoiler for the film that the very own Desi girl, that is Priyanka Chopra, won't be part of the sequel.
Dostana, a funny take on homosexual relationships starring Abhishek Bachchan, John Abraham and Priyanka Chopra, met with a fabulous box office response. In the movie, Priyanka Chopra was smoking hot in her bath suit, making people visit again and again for the eye-popping glimpse.
I'll be alright, yeah, I'll be alright, I'll be alright, yeah, I'll be alright, I'll be alright, I'll be alright.
Well, now after so many rumors, it's official that Dostana 2 is very much on. But Piggy Chops has just exposed that she is not the part of the sequel of the 2008 film. According to PC, her love story in the film came to a logical end in the first film itself, so there's no reason continuing that in the sequel.
Let me just explain something to you. Okay, when we do sequels, a story goes forward, alright? And in Dostana 1, if you've seen the film, my story ended with a love story and a marriage with Bobby Deol. So now, unless Bobby dies, or I divorce him, or something of that sort happens, the story doesn't go forward. So, hence Dostana 2 cannot be a romantic love story between these three people again, because then you won't go watch the film because it will be a repetition. Hence, Dostana 2 needs to be cast with someone else.
According to the latest buzz, while Abhishek and John will reprise their roles, Katrina Kaif will be the latest one to join the love triangle. Well, it's gonna be interesting to see if Videshi girl Kat can fit in the shoes of Desi girl or not. But there won't be the repetition of the sizzling golden bikini act by Piggy Chops for sure.
Yeah, I'll be alright, I'll be alright, I'll be alright, yeah, I'll be alright, I'll be alright.
And Slumdog multi-millionaire actress Freida Pinto is all set to enact a love-making scene which requires her to bear it all. The recently released teaser of the film Immortals has already fired up everyone's imagination. Take a look.
It hasn't taken long for Slumdog Millionaire girl Freida Pinto to make it meaningful, if not big, in Hollywood. After scoring high praise for her performances, Freida now is all set to create sensations with her looks and bold acts.
I have plenty of women. I have plenty of weapons. I have moved every precious stone you people worship upon.
Immortals, which shares producers with 300 and follows a trio of films similarly themed with honor and epic, begins its pre-release campaign with a new teaser trailer.
All of humanity!
If any of you influence the affairs of mankind, the punishment will be severe.
The teaser is quite sensuous in nature and promises skin show on the part of the actress. In fact, Freida goes backless in one of the scenes.
If there is one human who could lead them against Hyperion, it would be Theseus.
Freida plays a priestess named Phaedra and has a romantic track opposite Henry Cavill, who plays a peasant named Theseus.
To those whom much is given, much is asked.
Today, we are offered something we would never have! Today, we fight for honor! Fight for your future! Fight for your children! Fight for immortality!
Immortals also stars Mickey Rourke as King Hyperion, who creates a war between humans. The movie is all set to hit the theaters this November.
Shows well.
Now, the two most famous Bollywood music directors who have always been in the news due to their inspired music are once again making headlines. Anu Malik has claimed that Pritham has stolen his tunes. Now, has anyone heard the phrase, the pot calling the kettle black?
Music directors Anu Malik and Pritham have always been in the news due to their songs and the source of inspiration for those. Well, things are all the same with Pritham, who's facing allegations of lifting music once again, but the person who's charging him this time is very surprisingly Anu Malik. Well, going by Anu's claim, Pritham has lifted his entire tune of Mohabbat Naam Hai Kiska from Ajnabi and used it in the song Character Heela. The song features in director Anis Bazmi's Ready and is featuring Salman Khan and Zareen Khan. While we all are aware that Pritham has a knack of getting inspired from different sources of music for his filmy assignments, it still remains to be seen if Anu's claims are true.
Now, which character wins this battle? Well, we have to wait and watch for that, but the big story coming up on the other side, so stay tuned.